Hello, you. Yes, you, the person watching this right now. Maybe feeling a little nervous. Maybe thinking, can I really do this? Let me say something directly to your heart before we even begin. You can. Whether you are holding a phone in a busy city or sitting quietly in your home, whether you are 16 or 60, this moment, you pressing play, is the most important step. You have decided that your story will include speaking English. And for that courage, I am so proud of you already. Welcome, truly welcome.
Hello, Hania, and hello to every single beautiful beginner joining us today. I am Kamyar, and this is your safe place. This is English Learning Channel. There is no judgment here, only joy for your journey. I want you to take a deep breath with me. In and out. Good. You have just completed the first exercise, showing up. And that is everything.
It really is. And Kamyar, you look wonderfully at peace today. How are you feeling as we welcome our wonderful community?
I am feeling deeply grateful, Hania. I have my favorite mint tea here. The sun is gentle today, and most importantly, we are surrounded by the positive energy of thousands of learners who are choosing to grow. It doesn't get better than this. And you? How's your spirit today?
My spirit is full of hope. I was thinking this morning about all the first steps happening because of this channel. The first hello, the first sentence. It's an honor to witness and be part of that. So to all of you from every corner of the world, whether this is your first video with us or your 50th, a huge heartfelt welcome. We see you and we are so glad you're here.
A warm welcome to you all. This is your space. Now, are you ready to transition from that warm welcome into our powerful lesson for today?
Absolutely, because today, friends, we address the question that sits in the heart of every beginner, that burning, sometimes scary, but always hopeful question: how do I start?
That's right. Today is a landmark. Today we answer the question that starts every great adventure. How? How do I start speaking English from absolute zero? No background, no confidence, just a dream and a bit of fear. We are going to build your foundation, brick by brick, word by word. We will move from silence to sound, from confusion to simple, clear sentences you can use tomorrow. This is not just a lesson. This is a step-by-step guide, a blueprint for your first 30 days. We will talk about your mindset, your first words, your first sentences, your pronunciation, and how to practice for just 5 minutes a day to create unshakable confidence. We are not just teaching you English, we are building your identity as an English speaker. So, let's officially begin our lesson. Our mission today is simple: to transform your I can't into I just did. Are you ready to build your English from the ground up with us?
Let's begin this transformative journey together. Now, with the right mindset, we pick up our first tools. We will start with just 7 words. But these are not ordinary words. These are pillar words. They hold up your first conversations. They are your survival kit.
The first pillar is connection. Repeat after my voice, focusing on the sound. Hello. Hello. He says it slowly, clearly. Hania repeats. A 3-second pause is left for the viewer.
The second pillar is gratitude. This word opens hearts. Thank you. Thank you. Kamyar repeats, pause.
Pillars 3 and 4 are clarity. They're your yes and no. Yes. No. Pause after each.
Pillar 5 is agreement and understanding. Okay. Pause.
Pillar 6 is for polite connection. It shows care. Please. Pause.
And the 7th pillar is the most beautiful one: forgiveness, for when you think you made a mistake. Sorry. Pause.
You now possess a complete communication toolkit. Hello. Thank you. Yes. No. Okay. Please. Sorry.
With these 7, you can navigate 100 simple situations. Now we move from passive repetition to active ownership.
Here is your first active mission, the 7-pillar scan. Look slowly around your room. For 1 minute, use your pillars to talk to objects. See your door? Say, "Hello, door." See your water bottle? Say, "Thank you, water." See a light switch? Say, "Okay, light." This is not silly. This is you wiring these words directly to your world, making them yours.
Words are powerful, but sentences give you a voice. We now learn the most important architectural structure in English, the I am statement. This is the foundation for expressing your identity, your state, your reality.
Grammatically, I am is your subject, I, and your verb, am. Everything that comes after is your truth. Let's build 3 essential I am truths.
First, I am plus name. This is your declaration of existence in English. I am Hania. I am Kamyar. Your turn. Say it with full conviction. I am your name. Say it like you are introducing yourself to the world, because you are.
Second, I am plus feeling. This expresses your inner weather. Let's learn 5 core feelings. I am happy. Smile as you say it. I am good, neutral and positive. I am ready, powerful for starting. I am learning, the truest statement today. I am strong. Affirm your resilience. Repeat each one after us, feeling the meaning. They lead with pauses.
Third, I am plus identity. This defines your role. The most important one for you now is I am a student. Say it. I am a student. You can also say I am a learner. I am a pioneer. Choose the identity that empowers you.
Now, let's architect a mini biography. We will combine all 3. Hello, I am Hania. I am a student. I am happy and I am ready.
Hello, I am Kamyar. I am a teacher. I am good and I am strong. Now it is your turn. Use the 10-second pause we leave to say your mini biography out loud. Hello, I am name. I am a student. I am feeling. This is your first spoken paragraph in English.
Speaking clearly is about training your muscles. Your mouth needs exercise for new sounds. This section is your personal Pronunciation Dojo. Dojo means training hall. We train without judgment.
We will focus on 3 critical English sounds that are often new: the th, the long E, and the R sound.
Sound 1. The soft th, as in thank you. This sound does not exist in many languages. Here is the physical trick. Gently place the tip of your tongue between your front teeth. Don't bite. Now blow air out steadily over your tongue. You should feel the air flowing. That whispering sound is the th in think, thank, Thursday. Practice with me. Thank you. Think. Thursday. They demonstrate slowly, showing tongue placement.
Sound 2. The long E as in please. Many languages have a shorter I sound. For the long E, smile widely. Your cheeks should lift. Your tongue is high in your mouth. It's a long stretched sound. E. Practice please, see, be. Feel the smile in the sound.
Sound 3. The English R, as in ready. This is not a rolling R. Your tongue should not touch the roof of your mouth. Curl the tip of your tongue back slightly without touching anything. Make a sound from your throat. It's like a gentle growl. Practice ready, right, room, They demonstrate.
Now, the master training method, echo shadowing. You will be our perfect echo. We say a phrase with these target sounds, you immediately repeat, copying everything, the sound, the rhythm, the emotion. Let's begin. My phrase, please, thank you, emphasizes E and th. He says it, Hania echoes perfectly. A 5-second pause for the viewer.
My phrase, I am ready, emphasizes the R and long E in ready. I say it, Kamyar echoes. Pause.
Your daily dojo exercise. 2 minutes of echo shadowing from our videos. This builds muscle memory for English. Consistency beats intensity every time.
Language lives in conversation. Now we graduate from speaking about yourself to speaking with someone. We will construct and practice your first complete natural dialogue.
This dialogue has 4 lines. It uses your pillar words and I am architecture. It is the most common human exchange, the greeting and check-in.
Let's present it as a script. Person A and Person B.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I am good, thank you. And you?
Notice the music of it, the rhythm? Hello. Hello, how are you? It's a dance. Now we will model it with natural feeling, not like robots.
Now your turn. You will practice both roles. This is crucial. It makes you the master of the conversation.
Step 1. Be person A. Say lines 1 and 3 to your screen.
Step 2. Be person B. Say lines 2 and 4. We will guide you with pauses.
You have just completed a conversation. This is a monumental moment. Save this dialogue. It is your first complete piece of spoken English. You can now greet anyone in the world with this.
A journey needs a map. Here is your 30-day blueprint to transform these first steps into unshakable habits. It is based on micro habits, actions so small you cannot fail.
Weeks 1 and 2. The foundation phase. Daily habit, 2 minutes. The 7-pillar scan in your room. Pronunciation, 1 minute. Echo shadow 1 sentence from this video. Sentence, say your I am mini biography 3 times. Weekly mission, perform your first dialogue with yourself in a mirror, smiling.
Weeks 3 and 4, the expansion phase. Daily habit. Name 5 objects in your house you didn't name before. Pronunciation. Practice the th sound with 3 words. This, that, think. Sentence. Create a new I am feeling sentence. I am calm. I am focused. Weekly mission. Greet a family member or friend with hello, how are you? In English, even if the rest is in your language.
The magic is in the chain. Do not break the chain of these tiny victories. Use a physical calendar. Put a big, satisfying X for each day you complete your 5 minutes. This visual proof is a powerful motivator.
Your brain learns through spaced repetition and emotional connection. These micro habits use both. You are repeating core material daily, repetition, and connecting it to your personal space and feelings, emotion. This is the science of lasting learning.
The path will have bumps. Let's prepare your troubleshooting guide.
Roadblock 1. I feel silly talking to myself. Solution? Reframe it. You're not talking to yourself. You are rehearsing for the world. Every great actor, speaker, and musician rehearses alone first. You are simply rehearsing your new role, English speaker.
Roadblock 2. I forgot to practice yesterday. This is not failure. This is data. It means your habit was too big or not tied to a trigger. Make it smaller. Tie it to an existing habit. After I brush my teeth, I will say my 7 pillars. Habit stacking is foolproof.
Roadblock 3. I'm not seeing progress. Solution? You are measuring the wrong thing. Do not measure fluency. Measure consistency. Did you do your 5 minutes today? Yes? That is 100% success. Fluency is a future city. Consistency is the road you walk every day to get there.
Roadblock 4. Fear of a real conversation. Solution. Use the sandwich method. Start in English. Hello, how are you? Continue in your shared language. End in English. Thank you. Goodbye. You have bookended the conversation in English. That is a massive real-world victory.
Look at the distance you have already covered in this session. You came with a question. How? You now have a mindset. Your first words, your first sentences, clear pronunciation practice, a real dialogue, and a 30-day map. You are no longer at zero. You are at launch.
The journey from zero to hero is not a straight line. It is a spiral. You will circle back to review, sometimes feel stuck, then leap forward. This is normal. This is learning. Trust the process you now hold in your hands.
Your voice in English will be unique. It will carry the accent of your first language, which is the beautiful sound of your history. It will carry the rhythm of your personality. Do not try to erase yourself to speak English. Bring yourself into English. That is how you become not just a speaker, but a compelling, authentic communicator.
We're not saying goodbye to you as a beginner. We're saying welcome to you as a practitioner. You now have the tools. The daily practice is your responsibility and your power.
We will be here for your next steps, for your first questions, your first stories in the past tense, your first future dreams. But today, you have built the launch pad. We are so incredibly proud to have witnessed your start.
If this blueprint gave you clarity and hope, please like this video. It tells YouTube this is life-changing content for true beginners, so it can guide others here to their starting line.
Subscribe to English Learning Channel and click the bell icon. We are your partners on this path. Next week, we build on this foundation. You don't walk alone.
Share this video with one person in your life who has also whispered, "I wish I could speak English." Be the catalyst for their journey. Change someone's world today.
Most importantly, comment below. This is your first official practice in our community. Write, "Hello, I am," name. "I am a student." "I am ready." Or simply say, "I am starting today." We read every single comment and will personally welcome and celebrate you. This is your tribe.
Thank you for your brave heart. Your journey is now underway. One word, one day, one victory at a time. We believe in you completely. Until next time, keep going, Pioneer. Goodbye.